Hello everyone, today I have a review of another folding knife from the Chinese company YOUSUNLOng. As is typical for this brand, it comes in a very stylish, elegant wooden box for storing the knife. A certificate inside the box. A brown leather sheath with the manufacturer's logo. Closing with snap button. With a belt clip. Total length is 19.5 centimeters, blade length is 9 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.5 millimeters, and the steel of the blade is Damascus, forged with 73 layers of carbon steel, tempered to approx 60 HRC, flat grind. On the blade you can see the company name, YOUSUNLOng, and inscription Damascus steel, opening with a nail nick. A back lock works very well. The handle scales are made of ball horn. It is worth to say that patterns and colors may be slightly different from piece to piece. The ferrules also have a Damascus pattern. The whole thing is assembled with Torx screws. In summary, I already have two knives from this company and I have no complaints. They're designed for legwork, their elegance is undeniable. I like this classic design. It reminds me of my childhood, as I had a knife in a similar style, clip point blade and a back lock. And somehow I still have a fondness for this type of simple classic knife. 25 years ago there was no titanium or ball bearings in knives. It's a carbon steel, so it needs to be cared for. You can protect the blade with some natural food oil or clean and wipe it regularly. For carrying I recommend using the included leather sheath to keep the knife away from the body. Alternatively, in the jacket in winter or autumn, the trousers pocket isn't the best idea. In the summer when we sweat more, we know how it affects to steel. In the winter, when the temperature difference between our body and the environment is large, water can condense on the blade and fog up. Unless we protect it with something, then you can carry the knife in your pocket. That's all it is. Thanks for watching.